This video demonstrates how to reschedule meetings in Google Calendar, ensuring all guests are properly notified and time zones are accurately managed. As of late 2025, Google Calendar is a crucial tool within Google Workspace, used by over 1 billion people worldwide. Efficient rescheduling is key to productivity. We will cover the essential steps and best practices. To reschedule a Google Calendar meeting on the web, start by visiting calendar.google.com in your web browser. Once you're on the Google Calendar website, locate and click on the event you want to reschedule. This will open the event details in a pop-up window. In the Event Details window, look for the Edit Event button, which is typically represented by a pencil icon. Click this button to enter edit mode. Now you can modify the event details. Change the start time, end time, date, or duration by clicking on the respective fields and entering the new information. For example, you might shift the meeting from 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Once you've made your changes, click the Save button. Google Calendar will then ask if you want to send an update email to all guests. Choose Send to automatically notify everyone of the rescheduled meeting details. Rescheduling meetings on the Google Calendar mobile app follows a similar process to the web version, making it convenient for on-the-go changes. Start by opening the Google Calendar app on your Android or iOS device and locate the event you want to reschedule. Once the event is open, tap the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil, to enter edit mode. In the edit screen, you can modify the date, time, or duration of the event as needed. After making your changes, tap the Save button. You'll then be prompted to send an update notification to all guests, ensuring everyone stays informed. The mobile app offers seamless rescheduling on the go, with real-time synchronization that helps reduce scheduling errors across your devices. To ensure the best performance, make sure your Google Calendar app is always up to date through the App Store. When you reschedule a Google Calendar event, the platform automatically sends email notifications to all invited guests. These notifications inform attendees about the time or date changes, helping everyone stay updated. In the Edit Event window, you'll find an option to add a custom message alongside the automatic notification. This allows you to explain why the rescheduling is necessary or provide additional context about the change. For example, you might write something like, "Due to time zone conflicts, rescheduling to 2 p.m. EST," to give attendees a clear reason for the adjustment. This customization is particularly valuable for unexpected changes or when accommodating specific needs, such as different time zones or participant availability. By providing clear communication through customized notifications, you prevent confusion among attendees and help maintain positive relationships with your guests. Google Calendar handles time zones automatically to make scheduling across different regions seamless. When you create an event, it's set in your primary time zone, but guests will see it displayed in their own configured time zone. For example, an event at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time will automatically appear as 7 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time for guests in that zone, preventing scheduling confusion. When editing or rescheduling an event, always check the time zone dropdown in the event details to ensure accuracy. This is especially important for international meetings where a small oversight could cause major confusion. The calendar clearly displays these time differences in event details, showing both the original time and the converted time for each guest's zone. This transparency helps avoid misunderstandings in global teams. Time zone awareness is crucial for global teams as it ensures everyone attends at the right local time and reduces the risk of missed meetings or scheduling conflicts across borders. In rescheduling a recurring event in Google Calendar, you have 3 options for how the changes apply. You can choose to update only this single occurrence, this event, and all following ones in the series, or all events in the entire recurring series. The calendar icon represents your recurring events. When you edit one, the system will present these options. First, show the recurring events visually. Option 1, only this event. This applies changes to just the single occurrence you're editing, leaving the rest of the series unchanged. Option 2, this and following events. This updates the current event and all future occurrences in the series. Option 3, all events in the series. This applies the changes to every occurrence in the recurring event, past and future. Choose based on your needs. For example, if a meeting needs to be permanently shifted to a new time, select All Events. If it's just a one-time change, choose only this event. This flexibility ensures you can manage recurring events efficiently without disrupting your entire schedule. Google Calendar now integrates with Gemini AI, Google's advanced AI assistant, to help with rescheduling meetings. Introduced in 2024, Gemini AI brings intelligent assistance to Google Calendar through the Smart Reschedule feature. When rescheduling, Gemini analyzes the calendars of all participants to understand their availability across different time zones. Based on this analysis, Gemini proposes optimal reschedule times that work for everyone, considering time zone differences. These suggestions help minimize scheduling conflicts and can potentially reduce no-shows by suggesting times that are more convenient. Keep an eye out for these AI-driven suggestions when rescheduling your events in Google Calendar. Rescheduling meetings in Google Calendar can be straightforward, but avoiding common pitfalls ensures smooth coordination. A frequent error is forgetting to notify guests about the change. Without proper notifications, attendees might miss the update and show up at the wrong time. Another mistake is overlooking time zone differences. Events set in one time zone may confuse international guests if not handled correctly, leading to scheduling conflicts. Failing to double-check event details after rescheduling can result in errors like incorrect dates or times, causing confusion for everyone involved. As a best practice, always use custom messages when rescheduling to provide context to guests. This helps explain why the change was made and maintains good communication. Leverage AI-powered features like Gemini's Smart Reschedule to find optimal times. This analyzes participants' availability and suggests better slots automatically. Always verify event details after making changes. Check the date, time zone, and guest list to ensure everything is accurate before saving. By following these best practices, you can streamline the rescheduling process and significantly improve meeting efficiency in Google Calendar.